Hello and welcome. This is upgrade number 3 here in the Rivian. As you know, we upgraded the seats by adding leather shield to them. Upgrade number 2 is we installed Abstract Ocean's clear screen protectors. These are not plastic, but these are glass. Really nice stuff. Number 3 will upgrade the charging here in the Rivian. I use Apple. That's what this phone is here that I'm recording this on. I searched and found this product called T-Wraps or Traps or however you want to call it. It is a phone inductive charger that is MagSafe. And no, they didn't send it to me. I bought it. It's $100. But the design and everything is such that it requires essentially hardly any kind of installation. You install it, and you're going to see, according to the video anyway, just how easy it is. There is nothing to do other than just plug it in. So let's go through the installation live. Looks like I've got a gift card. Yeah, you're thinking what I'm thinking. Scan that baby and get yourself a 10% off with your charging in your Rivian. All right, and then I've got a little microfiber cloth to burnish it up when I'm all done. First thing, you've got to open the hatch. Probably it'd be a good idea if I clean it out. There is no glove compartment here in the Rivian. Really weird, but I assume that all the space is utilized here in the dash for just I don't know, whatever you do to the dash, air conditioning controls, electronics, whatever. Anyway, there is no glove compartment, so I can't wear gloves while I'm in the Rivian. So they have this really cool compartment. It closes like a armrest. You push this little button over here and shazam, it springs open just like a jack-in-the-box. By the way, the manual for the car is, or the truck right here is located in this spring holder. All right, so I'm going from memory. So the hardest part about installing your inductive charger is make sure it's the proper way down. And I do believe it goes this way. There are 2 wire guides here. And the reason it goes this way, and I'll tell you why. While you can stick it down, gravity is a wonderful thing. You essentially put it in its slot and it doesn't move around. These are used for MagSafe, which keeps your phone from sliding around. The wires are here. You have one USB-C. We will plug it into either one. I don't think it matters. I'll plug it into the one closest to me because upgrade number 4 will be using the other one. All right, let's see if I can zoom in there and you can see. So I actually take my plug, I plug it right in, looking through the camera, just like that. Dress the wires down here a little bit, kind of get them out of the way, and we're good. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to put a half Nelson in this thing. Twist them around, see if I can do that. And then they will twist up when I install it. All right. And if you don't know what a half Nelson is, you better get to it and look it up. Okay, I do believe we're done. It's that easy. All right, so now what I'm going to do is get my second phone and we'll do a little testing. Let's check the installation. Yeah, gravity holds this thing down, and you still have the little slot here, which is fine. However, I think it's heavy enough to stick there. This is magnetic, keeps the phone in place. This is my Apple 14 Pro Max. It's what I use for almost all my videos. As you can see, it's got very large cameras. All right, well, let's do the test. Set it right here. You notice the cameras protrude, and that's how this is designed. And wham, it sticks right to it, right there. Okay, and what is it doing? It's charging. Pretty awesome. And you can see I'm pushing on it, and then it gets off the magnet, right? So if you have a Apple 13, 14, perhaps 12, I'm not sure all of they make, but the cameras are not laying on anything here, and allows you just to stick it there. Let's move it over, and bang, it sticks right here and also charges. Apparently you can charge 2 phones, which is really great. All right, that's upgrade number 3. That went in pretty well. I think I will stick a couple pieces of double-sided tape just to keep that from moving around, but it's sure not going anywhere. And it's much better than the existing onboard inductive charger. Now that we've got the upgraded inductive charger here for my Apple phone, let's have a look here. We have, this is upgrade 3, and now we have upgrade 3A. And you say, what the heck? Well, watch this. Let's see, I guess I better turn it the right way. I can get it in there, do it with one hand kind of a thing. There we go. So, what do we have? We have another T-Wraps product. And what is it? It's a cool little tray. The reason I got this is it's 3D printed. Yeah, got it probably in his garage or something. But it's all right. This gigantic cavernous, I guess a lack of a better thing, glove box. You put whatever in. The tray fits right in. And it's got cutouts for the wires, right? And sits right in here. If I can figure out how to do it. Get the wires out of the way. This might just take 2 hands. I don't know. Let's see. Well, there's no, apparently there's no runners or anything on each side other than the tapered sides. And this little tray appears to be not tapered, so I'm guessing it just fits in through a wedging action. It's probably okay. Get it around the wires, and this will just seat right there. Yeah, just like that. So now I can put junk in here. So what we need is more junk, and I don't have to dig down in the bottom, and it closes up just fine. That completes upgrade 3, and now we've got wireless charging. I have a tray over the glove box down below, and I think we're good to go. If you liked today's video, give me a like, and if you would, please subscribe. And don't forget, Tesla's referral program is back in operation. My referral shown below is good for any product Tesla makes. It will get you points. Those points can be used to purchase or buy down the cost of other products. Please use it. If you have somebody that is buying a Tesla, give them the link. They'll save a huge amount through the points they gain. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next upgrade here in the Rivian, and take care.